Hello and welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and today I'm gonna do unboxing for this a beautiful TRN MT1 dynamic drivers in-ear monitors. IEM. So for those who are professionally used for stage monitoring, they know this kind of earphone. It's very cheap. The description and also the link to buy is below the video. So this one is I bought it not white but actually transparent with a mic. And then this is the description: TRN MT1 3.5 dynamic driver connected to 2-pin. So there's a three usually type. 2-pin and then C pin and but this is 2-pin sensitivity, and then frequency 20 to 20,000, which I normally will buy the 7 until 40,000 hertz, but this one is considered good, that's why I buy, and cheap and good. Okay, other side, Okay, now let's unboxing. Look at that, transparent. This is a 2-pin. $10mm dynamic. Pin. It doesn't look cheap, although it's cheap. It looks expensive, and the sound is good. The bass is good. It's the same thing. With this 10mm dynamic. There's an R there. Registered. Oh, registered 10mm dynamic. Okay. 2-pin. Okay. What's inside the box? The wire. Okay, the connector, 2-pin connector. One, two, three, because of with mic. 3 line, and pause next 2, previous 3, pause, call. It's very soft, not really here it's not soft, but the black color here, this one all very soft. Not like TXZN is, I would say, it's built with very hard material a bit. Then it's tingling sometimes, but this one is very soft. I can stick again technology. Okay, you can go for a WeChat. Okay. All of it digital with the small and also large. So this one, the one in this Iem is medium size. Warranty card. I'm sweating here because my room have aircon, but I off it because of I don't want to the sound appear in my video. Warranty terms and condition. So you there. Okay. And last but not least, manual. Don't worry, English. Okay, that's it. So that's the unboxing for this CRN MT1, and I recommend you to buy this because it's very cheap. Description and also shops to link to shop is below the video. And last one, I forgot. This one's supposed to be like this. Disconnect it. Until it's popped inside, like that. So when you use it from behind here, this is for left side. Okay.